So here's the vehicle I'm going to put on the market. Still tidying up a few things, so we'll be a little bit unprofessional in the beginning. That's right. First thing you want to do is have a nice backdrop. A lot of pollen. Nasty. Now, first thing you want to do is have a nice backdrop. I'm standing in the shade because it's so hot. Or you could go to a park, or if you know someone that has a mansion, nice backdrop. So you want a nice environment. Like this home here, you don't want the mulch bed looking like that. And a beat up front door with a no trespassing sign on there. You don't want that. You don't want that. Like some of these guys in California, man, it's really nice. They've got a mini mansion with the hills in the background, super bright, clear day. Everything looks beautiful. You could also go to a nice park where it's quiet. You don't want a bunch of lawnmowers in the background. Also good to have a tripod, stability in your shots, nothing crooked, shaking. Now of course this is a given. You want to have your car clean, detailed, washed, waxed, oil change, new wiper blades. Whoa, look at all the pollen. It's freaking disgusting. Just the normal maintenance. Have the vehicle inspected. Clean glass. I've been working on this thing for a good while. And after a while you're like, hey, you got to stop somewhere. Get it on the market. All right. I think it's going to rain. I've got a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 4x4 crew cab. $107,000 miles. Air pressure, temperature. Heated power mirrors, power windows, door locks, cruise control, Bluetooth. Probably got OnStar in there somewhere. Radio.
Download it now at WSTW.com.
Yeah, it works. 4x4 settings. Got auxiliary here. Pretty nice. Dual exhaust, trailer package. tinted glass. Got the tire kit, lug wrench, jack. It's got a wind down spare tire. We'll have to block out that no trespassing sign. See that home in the background? Yeah, I flipped it. So, depending on your marketplace, such as Facebook, they only allow 1 minute of footage. Let me show that clip. I've got a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 4x4 crew cab. $107,000 miles. Heated power mirrors, power windows, door locks, cruise control, Bluetooth. 4x4. Dual exhaust, trailer package. Tinted glass. Lug wrench, jack. I've got two fobs, got a chip for security. So you want to keep your clips short, just cover the important things. And in your editing, use high speed when you can. What the heck? Not only do you have text in the description, you've got 1 minute to run your mouth advertising this vehicle. Hey man, you need a clip-on mic, son. So that's about it. You want to pick a day that's not so windy. Now, a lot of these things that I'm pointing out, advice, I'm guilty of doing in the video. So it's a prime example, what not to do. Sometimes an overcast day is better than bright sun. You get all that glare and stuff. The background is real green. So the number one thing I always want to know when I see a vehicle for sale, how much? They never discuss it. So, I think I'll wrap this up. So there you have it. And now we're back to the roosters. I have no clue where all these farm animals are coming from. I live in a housing development, homes everywhere. So usually every day, someone's cutting the grass. I don't mind a distant lawnmower in the background. However, roosters, dogs, farm animals? And what the heck is this place? I've got 2 fobs for the unit, hideaway key, got a chip for security. Thanks for watching, and in the next video, I'll show how to install the fender flares and the emblem and badges on the doors. I'll provide a link. I didn't know roosters crowed in the afternoon.